Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. What I have here are, I just got done decorating tags. There's mini tags, medium and large tags that you can use for your junk journal, or you can even use just a bookmark. So before I get started showing each design, I don't know if you guys seen my previous videos where I create how I create my junk journal embellishments using from scraps, paper collaging, and stamping. If you haven't seen it, you can check the link below on the description box. It explains how I created this background. So what I did is I followed the process from the previous video, collaging, stamping, coloring using distress, and then I decorated it. Oh, before I forget, this one, this is what it looks like before I decorated it. It's pretty empty. So this is just a paper. I think it's a craft paper, or it's from a brown grocery bag that I used, and then I collaged it and then use some different color, like you could even use watercolor, distress crayons. So this is what it looks like before I decorate it. I'm not done with this yet, so I have to do that some other time. So these are the designs. So after you stamp it, collage it, do anything like crayons or use acrylic paint, then you can start decorating it. You can even sew the side, and then after you decorated it, you can use stickers or any cutouts you have. You can even use all your old stickers, like this one right here. This is my old sticker. So after I decorated it, I applied Mod Podge, 2 coats, because it holds everything together. But the thing is, if you've seen my previous video, I showed that this is the one I use for glossing it, but I found out that Mod Podge can be a bit sticky. Especially if you put them on top of each other, they get too sticky. So what I did is I applied 2 coats of triple thick gloss glaze from Deco Art. I've been using this for years now because I used to create or to make paper beads jewelry. So I just want to let you guys know, because I tried to use this one, but it gets so sticky. So I don't know, it's up to you if you want to use gloss. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show each design that I did. So this one is available on my Etsy shop. So after you're done watching this video, you can check it out. So here I'm gonna start with the mini tags. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me know if I'm going too fast. See, you don't have to add gloss if you want. You can just add Mod Podge. You do you. It's up to you. But I like the feel of it. Oh, this one. This one, I added thread. A sewing thread. And look how it feels. Really. Feels good. So cute. Oh, this one, it has like a 3D right here. Hold on. See, you can see it right there. I cut it out from a lace flower because I want to try what it will look like when I added glaze. I like using Mod Podge if I want to glue a lot of cutouts. And then I use, if you have any fabric scraps, because I have a lot of those, so I got plenty, a whole bunch of fabric scraps. Now this is the medium size tags. I don't know if you guys can see it. See, I love the design. I like the stamping. There's a thread right here. See this? I don't know if you can see it. Should I go closer? No? Okay. I don't want you guys to feel dizzy. See that background design? Oh, this is one of my favorite. Look at that. Pretty cute. And this one too. No, closer. You know this sticker right here? This from a dollar store. Looks cute. Look at that. Another sticker right here. You can write something on the back too. So now we're gonna do the large one. And you know, it looks like it's laminated without the extra plastic on the side. I don't know, I just love the feel of it. See, you can feel it's like a 3D. So cute. Had a lot of fun doing this. Took me a while though. There's a lace right here. See, you can see it right there. Feels great. And you know, I've noticed that when you add Mod Podge and glaze together, the color is more vibrant. See this? It's cute. Oh, this is a burlap. See? Very strong. You can use this as a bookmark too. You can even add pictures, like family pictures, kids pictures, and then Mod Podge and gloss it. It looks nice. Look at that. Pretty, pretty. This one is cool right here. See? Pretty cool. Oh, I love the color of this one. Very cute. Okay, this is the last one right here. Oh, look at the stamping. You can write on the back. See, I added, if you can see this, this is a cheesecloth right here. Pretty cute. And this is the last one. You get the background. Very nice. I think that's all I have. Yep, that's all I have. Well, thank you guys for watching, and please do visit my Etsy shop. These are available right now if you wanna, you know, check it out. Well, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Bye bye.